Ever wondered how you can turn your kitchen waste into a green thumb's gold? Or perhaps how you can cultivate your own portobello mushrooms right at home? Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of composting and mushroom cultivation. Imagine reducing waste while enriching your soil through composting, a simple and eco-friendly practice. Then envision harvesting your own portobello mushrooms, a straightforward yet rewarding home project. Stick around and you'll learn how to transform your kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost and how to use that compost to grow your own delicious portobello mushrooms. Composting, although it sounds complex, is actually a very simple and natural process. It involves the decomposition of organic waste by microorganisms, turning waste into nutrient-rich soil. Picture the banana peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells from your kitchen, broken down by these tiny, hard-working organisms. This process creates a beautiful, rich, dark, and crumbly compost, loaded with nutrients. With just a little effort and patience, you can convert your kitchen waste into a rich, dark, crumbly material that's perfect for enriching your garden soil. Now that you have your compost ready, it's time to introduce you to the fascinating world of mushroom cultivation. This process begins with preparing your compost as a substrate, a nutrient-rich home where your mushrooms will thrive. To do that, you'll need to pasteurize the compost, which involves heating it to kill any unwanted organisms. Once cooled, it's time for the magic touch, inoculating the compost with mushroom spores. Think of this as planting the seeds of your future mushroom harvest. After that, it's all about maintaining the right conditions. Mushrooms love a damp, dark environment, so keep the compost moist and in a shady spot. In just a few weeks, you can be harvesting your own homegrown portobello mushrooms, all thanks to your homemade compost. So, are you ready to turn your waste into gold and grow your own portobello mushrooms? Remember, composting not only helps our environment, but also makes for an excellent soil enhancer for growing robust, delicious mushrooms. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy composting and mushroom farming!